I'm super excited to show you guys my first camera. I know that to start a new YouTube channel, you don't need a new camera, but I wanted to get one because I've been in the content creation space since 2018, 2019. I've been creating content with my iPhone, and I just wanted to take it up the next level. I wanted to learn how to even use a camera, and it just seems fun. So I invested in myself by getting the new camera. So I'm gonna unbox it with you, and I'm gonna share why I chose this camera. I got the Sony ZV-1. I was initially debating between this one and the Canon G7X Mark II, and I'm going to share why I chose this one. So let's open it together. When I do my research on something, I do my research on something. And I wanted my first camera to kind of be a camera that could do it all. I want to be able to sit down at my vanity and do my get readies with me and have good quality. And I also wanted a camera that was portable that I could bring with me and vlog. Oh my gosh, here it is. Are you ready? She's so pretty. Okay, let's get into the details. So why I chose this camera? Well, first of all, it has like this auto focus for product showcasing. So I do a lot of get readies with me where if I'm like using a product and I want to hold it up to the camera, apparently it will focus on the product and kind of like blur the background, and then you take it away and it will focus on my face. And with doing that, it has a really quick ability to be able to focus on the product and then focus on my face. And I've watched videos, and it just, the picture quality, I just love how it looks, how the product looks clear, the background is blurred, and when you remove it, how fast it focuses on your face. I've heard reviews on how other cameras, there's almost a delay on that focusing again back on your face. So here's using the product showcase feature. So it's focusing on the image and kind of blurring out my face. And then immediately when I put the product down, it focuses really quick on my face. I think that's so cool. So I'm definitely going to be playing around with that. So I really liked that feature, and I think it's very appropriate for someone like myself who does a lot of beauty content. So I'm going to be doing a lot of get readies with me. So that was a good feature that I loved. Oh my gosh, I forgot the little mic diffuser. So this camera came with this mini mic diffuser. So this is an attachment that I'm going to put on the top. So this was the second reason that I chose this camera, is the ability to put attachments on top. You guys, I don't even know how to add it on top. I need to figure that out. So this camera flips out to the side right here. The Canon flips out to the top, which flipping out to the top would be nice, but I like how it flips out to the side because now I have the option to add things to the top. So this mini mic diffuser is great. So it's gonna just help with the sound quality. Sound quality is super important for the overall qualities of your videos. Lighting and sound can make or break the quality of your video. So like when I'm out and about and it's like wind, this is gonna help kind of like mute the wind and just really focus in on the quality of whatever I'm recording. And so I could add this on top. If I was to do like a podcast or a YouTube video in my house, I could even add like a larger mic. And then of course lighting, you know I love lighting. So You could add a portable light on top. So realistically, I don't know how many like attachments I'm gonna like really be adding on top, but I like that feature and to be able to have the option to add something on the top if I wanted to. So to me, this little flip screen going out to the side and adding things on top was better than having your flip screen flip out to the top. Wait. Okay, I just had to make sure this was recording. That's like a fear of mine that I'm gonna like record this whole thing and it's like not even on, but it's on, so we're good. Okay. This is filming on my Sony ZV-1. I also like how you can actually, there's a little record button that's red and it shows record, so I can actually tell that I am recording. So that little record button is letting me know that we are live recording. And I'm looking at myself in the screen. Okay, I should probably look at the actual camera, but it's good to kind of glance over and be able to look at yourself so that I know that everything, I look right. I'm in the actual frame of the video and I can see myself right there and I am looking right there. The third reason why I chose this camera, and most important reason, is it records in 4K with this beautiful image quality. I watched a lot of YouTube videos of people who had this camera and I really paid close attention to the footage and I loved the quality of how the videos looked. Now I want to test out the actual image quality and the sound. So right now I'm filming on my iPhone. I'm filming on the front camera so I can actually like see myself. And now we're gonna switch over to my new camera. Okay, and here is the Sony ZV-1. I'm gonna let you be the judge. Let me know what you think of the actual image quality. It also has this optional soft skin effect, which is kind of like a beauty filter. It just softens your skin. So there's different settings for that, low, medium, and high. I'm definitely going to be using the low setting if I use it. I personally am trying to steer away from filters and just focus more on using lights like this, because I don't want to be using a filter all the time. I want it to be my real face and just focus on upgrading the quality with lighting. But I do like that soft skin effect because, to be honest, you're not always like feeling your best, feeling yourself. To sort of have an ability to soften the image quality, I think would be nice. Next reason why I chose this camera is because how small and compact it is. It's really small. So I feel like it would be a great first camera. I don't even know how to use a camera. So I feel like having a small one that I can kind of always have on me would be realistically a good option, because then I could just like pull it out and capture a shot like whenever. So I like the idea of always having a camera on me as I get used to using a camera and learning a camera. But yeah, I think this is a great first camera. And then it has this auto stabilization feature. So it's supposed to kind of make, if you're walking and holding the camera, it's supposed to make it like smooth as you're walking and not so like shaky. The only downside to that was it kind of crops your view. So other cameras I feel like had like a wider image, wider view of like the background, and this one kind of like crops it in for some reason. But at the end of the day, like, I don't really care that much. That's really not that important to me. Then we're gonna try and zoom in here. Oh my goodness, that's so cool. It's so clear for like so close on my face. Love that. And then that's as far as it zooms out. So it's not like super far, but I like that because I don't really want like my whole room showing anyways. So I kind of think that that is perfect. Someone knowing nothing about cameras, when I actually bought the camera, the guy who was helping me, he told me that this camera actually can take pictures really, really quick, which I like because I like to take a lot of pictures to get the shot, and I think it would be cool to take like just in the moment pictures, actions. I love candid photos, so I feel like it's going to be a really good camera to take candid photos. I'm so excited to try it out. So the cons. So there's cons with everything, obviously. So number one, I already mentioned, but when you're walking with the camera, apparently it will like crop the view, so it's not so much the background and it's just a cropped image, but I don't really care. So even though the Canon came with a flash, this one doesn't come with a flash, but remember how I said you could add attachments? You could always add on an attachment of a flash, which I've seen some really pretty pictures with just a flash. Again, not knowing much about cameras, I don't even know if I'm really going to be using a flash. I love to use the portable lights. That's like my favorite way to get lighting. So I don't even know if I'm going to use a flash, so I don't even know if that's really even a big deal, but I did want to mention that there's no flash on the camera and you have to buy a separate attachment to add on top if you want a flash. And then the next con is you cannot add lenses to the camera. So apparently to get better quality, and really the heart of a camera is the lenses that you add on, you cannot add a lens to this, which it's kind of a bummer, but someone not knowing anything about cameras and this being my first camera, I think it would be a good idea for me just to get used to using the basic camera. And from here, I can upgrade to another camera that can allow me to add on lenses. So again, for me, the purpose of this camera is a first camera. So I think I just need to stick to learning how to use this one really well, and then I can upgrade to a camera where I can add lenses, and then I'll learn all about lenses. It was such an adventure buying this camera. Oh my goodness. So you can get it online, but I wanted to get it in person just because of the experience. I wanted to go to Best Buy and just pick it up, hold it, and buy it in person. But I went to 2 different Best Buys to get this one. So it was definitely a day, an adventure, but I got it. And here are all the goodies that I got. So I bought like the package, it was like a vlogger package. It came with the camera. You got a little discount on it. And then it came with this little stand, which I love. So it's a stand. You could put the camera on top and you can like hold it like a selfie stick, or you could like walk with it, and you can take pictures, record with this. So I think that's super cool, being able to like hold your arm out and take a picture. I love that. So that was the set that I got. And then I got this little USB, I don't even know. I think this is how you get the videos, photos to your computer. I need to figure that out. Then I also got this case off Amazon. How cute is that? I hope it fits. Oh my gosh, you guys. Angel, my daughter, she was looking at this the other day, and she's so cute. She put this in here. She's so funny. But there's a little space in there to put like batteries or whatever, anything. I love that. Oh my gosh, does it not fit? Made it work. I love that. That way I can protect the camera and just like throw it in my bag. The battery is dead. It needs to be charged before you could use it. But luckily I picked up these batteries from Amazon and it came with this little charger. So I'm going to finish up doing all of my camera settings. so much for watching as I start sharing more behind the scenes of my life, working full-time while doing content creation on the side. I'm going to be bringing you guys with me. We're going to be doing a lot of get readies with me and just day in the life, mom life, nurse life. I'm so excited to bring you guys with me, open up my world. Please like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed this, and I will see you later. Bye.